Now we're going to bring in the Clogged Gutter Protocol. And again, feel free to share any feedback, reflections, shifts, changes. I'm just going to take a minute. Okay. So this protocol is more for the body. An energetic protocol to assist your body in allowing for a release of emotion. And when the body releases emotion, it is an alchemical moment. It is the most powerful, best thing for the body. But in our culture, you as an etheric being riding in the physical human form, we will often judge or shame the moment of expression of emotion. The body will feel that, and then the body will actually suppress the emotion and try to process the emotion physically. Try to allow for the release physically, which actually creates an energetic buildup of toxicity in the body, a possible buildup of physical body weight. The liver might not flush out. We might have kidney bladder stuff because the body is feeling shamed in the expression of emotion, but it has to put it somewhere. And so it starts to clog the channels and essentially create a clogged gutter or a clogged garbage disposal. And so whenever we're doing this work, we want to bring in the how of how to shift that, how to fix that. So taking a deep breath in, pulling your energy and awareness into your divine line. You, soul rider, at the level of your higher self, using your energetic fields, the guides, your imagination, invite some energetic aspect of you to reference a dimension where you can sit across from your body in a higher dimension. Now you're riding in the body, but in this other dimension, you're taking a moment to create a little distance. It doesn't mean you're not in the body anymore. You could snuggle up on front of spine in physical dimension, but you're just sitting across from your body. And as you sit across from your body, very compassionately, say to the body, body, there have been a lot of moments when you felt shamed by how you felt. You might have wanted to be strong, not vulnerable, not be attacked, not be judged, and you suppressed those emotions. You didn't allow for the release of them. That alchemical moment that assists you in your evolution. Body, there have been moments when you haven't felt safe to emote, to allow for that energy and motion, emotion. And body, you've processed a lot of that emotion physically. Your organs, the lymph, the cells, in your behavior, maybe, with food, substance, exercise or lack thereof, media, money. You've had to express it somehow because you didn't feel like there was a safe space, a safe channel to allow for that release. And Body Devo, what would it feel like for me, meaning you, soul rider? You're saying to your body, body, what would it feel like for me to hold a safe space for you, to allow for the release, to allow for that emotion, energy and motion to flow, to let go, to open the gutters, to open the channels, to allow for this alchemical vibrational process that helps you in your evolution, changes your chemistry, changes your vibration, changes your perception, changes what you draw to you. What would that feel like? And then your body might be like, I don't know how. And then we say, Body Deva, use your higher self, your energetic fields, to weave a vibrational grid within and around yourself, within your emotional field, that helps you process your emotions in a safe, supportive environment, that allows for the release of those emotions, the movement of those emotions, movement of those energies. No emotion is bad. Every emotion has a fuel that changes your vibration and helps you actualize a consciousness that you are yearning for. And the body wants to evolve. Its primary mechanism of evolving is using its emotions. And so you, as the conscious soul rider, shift your stance with your body's emotions. Hold this container and say, body, let it run. Slosh, flow, wiggle, let it move in your field. And if it's anger or grief or sadness, you, soul rider, get excited and say, oh, body, you're feeling safe. You're feeling safe to ride this wave, to use this wave of emotion to change your vibration. And you might even want to write that down. Body, you're feeling safe to use this wave of emotion to change your vibration, to evolve. Body, you're feeling safe to ride this wave of emotion, to change your vibration. That helps you evolve. And then you're coaching and encouraging your body to let those emotions move. Open the gutters, open the channels, allow for the release, allow for the alchemical process, the transformation. It's powerful and magical. And soul rider, you don't have to control it. We definitely don't want to judge it. And that's a tricky thing. The more evolved you get, the more we might judge the body's emotions, thinking, oh, I should be more evolved and I shouldn't have these feelings. Well, you, soul rider, might not have those feelings. They're your body's feelings, and your body's using those feelings to change its vibration to catch up with you. So hold space for it too. And then the emotions get more subtle, more refined over time. Taking a deep breath in, balancing and stabilizing. Holding space for body to ride those waves of emotion, change the vibration, use it to evolve. Oh. Letting that one integrate.